Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your Chrome browser on your PC. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser, just like what you see right here. Then, after you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and come to the top right here. Make sure you click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down right here. Next thing you want to do, come down below right here, and make sure you navigate to setting right here. Click on settings, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and make sure you come down below right here, click on about Chrome, click on that, and it's going to take you right here. In a few seconds you can see update starts to be checking. So the current version as at the time of making this video is 142.0.74. So you just need to make sure that the update runs completely. Once it runs completely, your Chrome browser become update and you are enjoying more fast experience browsing with your Chrome. And you will have access to some of the latest features as far as Chrome update is concerned.